What's up guys, welcome to another episode of Andy Rocks, and in this video we're going to mount an action camera on our Steelbird SB2 helmet. So make sure you watch till the end, and if you have any queries, let me know in the comment section. So no more wasting time, let's get started. Alright guys, so these are the basic things, not this one. This is my Bachpan Wala car. So these are the basic things that you need: a sharp blade, your action camera. So here I'm using the GoPro Hero 5 Session, screwdriver, the double-sided tape, the camera mount, and the J mount to mount this, a piece of cardboard paper. This thing you will need, guys. This is the main thing that you need. Otherwise, you won't be able to mount your camera. I will explain it afterwards. That's the reason why you need the cardboard. I will show you. Screwdriver and the Steelbird helmet, a really nice looking helmet. If you didn't watch my review video, the link will be provided here on the top right corner here. Just tap there. So this is the SB2 helmet. So as you can see guys, the chin bar is very thin. That's why it's very hard to mount the camera here. That's the main reason why we are using this. So let me just tell you first. So what we're gonna do is just we're gonna put this inside, because there are two screws underneath here, and we're gonna attach these two screws inside. So it will be like this, and then we're going to use the M seal and mount the camera here. I couldn't find any other ways to mount the camera on the chin, because this helmet doesn't have any space to mount the camera on the chin, and I don't want to make any holes or something like that. So whatever guys, so that's it. Now yeah, let's get started. What I'm gonna do is just, it's better if you open this visor first. You have to be careful not to scratch. So okay, let me just show you. Inside here you can see two screws here and two screws on the other side. Unscrew them all. So I unscrewed them. Now you can just grab it like this, press it, bam, leave it aside. And here is another thing, and here you can see guys, two screws here. So there is one screw missing because last time I opened it and I forgot to put it back, but I already have it. So whatever, you have to just unscrew this. That's it. You can see the two holes. Now leave your helmet aside, and what I did here is a piece of cardboard. I used my helmet's box. So what I did is just I used it like this. I marked it like this, okay, a bit bigger, like this much is perfect, I think. So you can see guys, like this. And what I did here is just cut it. Last time I cut a box of Tic Tac, and that plastic actually you can cut or you can use it instead of this, but I think this is a better security, like this is stronger than TikTok box. Not TikTok, what is that? Tic Tac. I put it inside like this way, and I pressed it hard so that you will get the marks of, I think you can see, you will get the marks of the screws. Make two holes like this, two holes, and bring it to any hardware shop, any hardware store where people sell or cut irons or steels or something like that. Just bring it and just tell them to make a thing like this. They will take like 10 or 20 rupees, I think. So you will get a metal thing like this. So that's what I did. Make sure the hole big enough to hold these screws. Don't make it too small, don't make it too big. You can bring a screw with you as well to the store. That's how I did. It's better if you open this visor first, otherwise you have to be very careful not to leave any scratches or marks, because you are handling very sharp things like this. So I'm going to put this thing on, and then here guys you can see 6 screws are here, but 2 of them are smalls, okay, which carries this are smalls. But this time we're not gonna use the small ones here, because we're going to put this together like this, okay. We're going to use 2 big ones here and the other 2 bigs and 2 smalls on this, okay. As you can see guys, the right one is a slightly bigger one and the left one is slightly smaller one, but here we are going to use the bigger one. Now Now you can see guys, here we're going to mount the camera. Alright guys, so I just opened my visor. Now what I'm going to do is just cut a little bit of this thing because of we have a extra part here, so it won't fit otherwise, as you can see guys. So we have to cut a little bit. Let's mark it, this and maybe this. So we are going to cut it till this part. You have to cut it this way, and the next thing what we are gonna do is cut this thing out. As you can see, I just bended it to check if it's fitting well. So here we go guys, we have cut it, this part. So we have cut this part like this, and we have cut this part like this, so that I can fit it well inside. As you can see, it fits really well inside. Now what we are going to do is just put it in. That's it, bam, you got it. Now if you screw it, it's perfect. And if you want to put some M-seal here to make it harder, you can do that as well. So what I'm going to do is just put some M-seal underneath. Like I'm gonna put some M-seal here and then screw the plate so that it will be like very hard to break or something. This is our M-seal. You can find it in any hardware shop. It's only 30 rupees. And what we are going to do is just mix this thing together. Like it's very soft and it's like clay or something, it feels like. It says in 27 degrees it will fix in 90 minutes, so we have to be real quick. So let's mix this. Alright guys, after mixing the M-seal, it will look like this disgusting thing. Whatever, we don't have to worry about that. Make sure it's in the middle. Now what we are going to do is just take this and make some scratches on it, so it will hold the grip rest of the M-seal. If you think you need more M-seal, just use it. Here I'm not using all of them, I just use few, and I think that's enough for me. And you don't have to worry about it. All you have to do is press baby, and make sure you cover the corners as well. And now just leave it for a few minutes. So here I didn't use the double tape guys. If you wanna use it, you can use it, but I didn't use it. I think the M-seal will work properly. Now you can just start cutting the rest of the M-seal or Tencel, whatever. Very slowly, very gently. After cutting it, it will look like this. As you can see, it will look like this. If you want, you can color it. Like I am planning to color like a blue color or something. From inside it will look like this, but we have two more things to attach, this one and this one as well. So let's do it. Let's finish it guys. And now what I'm gonna do now is just, as you can see guys, it will look like this. And this part, the extra piece that you cut, you can just put this inside like this way or the other way as you want. I'll just put it like this way. And now we're gonna screw it. So we have two small screws, two big screws, two small screws on the bottom, and just make sure it's really tight. Okay, and now the big screws again. And bam, that's it guys, you have successfully done it. So it's very hard, you can see guys. Alright guys, so as you can see, here is the final design. What I did is just put the J-mount upside down, and it gives a really good viewing angle. So it will look like this guys after you mount your camera, and you can close it easily as well. Man, it actually looks good, so neat and clean, bro. So that's it for today guys. If you think this video is helpful for you, give this video a big thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe as well, because I always bring this kind of videos every week. So see you in the next one. Peace and keep rocking. Bam.